Hi, good morning guys. I've just woken up. So today I've got a few plans in mind. I'm heading to the city center first to buy a few things before my flight today. Then after I'll be meeting my friends. I'll be taking a plane to Sweden to visit family and friends. I'm really excited, so welcome to my first YouTube video and I hope you like it. So I've just arrived with the bus and I'm about to head into the Oriental supermarket. I'm about to buy some Malaysian curry for my mom, who really likes it. Okay, I've got it. I'm just about to put it into the suitcase. So yeah, this is a Malaysian curry that my mom loves. Now that that's finished, I'm going to Starbucks to meet my friends. They're both French, so we kind of speak a mixture of French and English. Salut! Ça va?
Hey!
Hello. Could I get... Do you have the signature hot chocolate with hazelnut?
J'aime bien Rennes pour certaines places, genre certaines rues.
Ouais.
Genre Sainte-Anne, j'aime bien. Les rues un peu plus vieilles de Rennes, j'aime bien. Parce que c'est assez typique quand même, c'est assez stylé. Ouais.
Les parcs aussi sont sympas.
Ouais. C'est vrai. J'aime bien le parc du Tabor. Je te ferai découvrir ça.
Les bars,
Ouais.
Et Maureen, Saint-Malo?
j'adore ça.
Quoi?
Pour son architecture, ses bars, la mer. Il y a beaucoup de galeries d'art.
Ouais.
Donc c'est intéressant. Beaucoup d'artistes en fait qui sont dans les rues, surtout l'été. Et c'est vivant. Il y a un côté un peu chic aussi. Saint-Malo, c'est
Chic, un peu riche, bourgeoise.
Ouais, certains quartiers c'est assez élégant, mais en même
Ouais.
temps c'est pour tout le monde en fait. Tout le monde s'y sent bien.
Il y a combien de personnes qui habitent en...
45 000 à peu près.
Ok, c'est pas beaucoup, mais
C'est pas beaucoup, mais c'est bien.
c'est pas mal, ouais.
Ouais, c'est bien.
Okay. Merci. So I'm heading now to the airport. I'm just going to take the bus that goes all the way to there. It'll take half an hour. So she's helping me carry my luggage. Right. So I've checked in, I'm already through the security check, and now I'm just ready to board the flight, and it boards in 1 hour. So this has gone so smoothly. I did not expect to go through the check-in in 5 minutes and do everything in 5 minutes. So it's been anxiety free so far, but we'll see what happens. I have finally just arrived. I'm about to meet my dad and my cousin. hello again. So I forgot to film an intro, so I'm doing this now. So I've had a haircut since you've last seen me, and a bit of a shave. Anyways, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. It was my first time making like a kind of vlog video. I don't know if it was good enough, if it wasn't. I'm still getting used to filming, to editing, to doing everything. But I hope you look forward to seeing more of me in the future, and just thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it.